If you are someone who is looking to get into web development in 2025, or you already started learning web development last year or previous years, but you feel like your path is staggered, you're moving ahead, coming back, you find yourself moving forth and back every time, then this video is for you. In 2025, if you want to learn web development, be it front-end or back-end, because in backend, those who transition to backend, they always do something on the front end for a little while before they realize that the interest is in the backend. Then listen to me, because I'm going to tell you the best place or best platform or the best way in which you can get yourself at a place where you will be able to learn quickly and learn by building. There's a platform called Scrimba. So Scrimba is a platform where they offer tutorials or lessons on web development. And there's a very good instructor there called Bob Zero. I love that guy because that was my first go-to place when I was starting to learn React. And they have their courses, especially there's a course called Front-End Developer Path. So this path takes you from the very basics of web to advanced in front-end. So they take you from the bare CSS, HTML, then they take you to responsive design, where you design elements which are responsive on all screen sizes. Then you go to JavaScript, from the basics then to intermediate and then to advanced. Once you're done with the HTML, CSS and JavaScript, you go to React. Now, React is divided into 3 categories. We have the basics of React, then we have intermediate React, and then we have advanced React. Trust me, it is a very good platform because you will be building along. Because in the Scrim screen where you are watching the tutorial is the exact place where you will be pausing the Scrim, and when you pause, it turns to what we call a code editor, where you get to write the code that you just learned from Bob Zero or whoever will be your instructor. So if you already have some basics in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, skip that part and move to a React part and take every course there. And this platform is free and premium. So free, you get access to some courses for free, but premium bit where we have React and advanced React and JavaScript, you get to pay for it. But it's good news because if you're a student, you get access to this for free, but if only you activate your GitHub Student Developer Pack, which you do by watching my video in one of my channels. One of the video I did last year is going to show you how to activate your benefits. That will give you a 1-month pro access to Scrimba. Then you can take advantage of that period to learn. Pick a topic, make it only React, learn it. And then the good thing, you'll be building projects. It's a course where you don't have to wait to finish, then you build. So check it out and then do your thing. Bye. Osego Course signing out.